Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna get some dahlias in the ground, or at least that's what I'm hoping for. Um, oh, oh, the flies are out. No, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back again. We're going to see how good this off botanical stuff is. But they are the black horse flies, not the little stripy yellow flies, those little wings that have the little zebra stripes on them. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about because it's a situation here in Florida at least. I could put up some of those traps to capture flies that are all sticky and stuff. I mean, there's a role for everything in nature. And I know that there are some flycatcher birds that like to eat those. Besides, who wants to look at something that's sticky with a whole bunch of dead little flies stuck to it? Not me. Okay, so I gotta get my dahlias in the ground. You might hear my husband cutting the grass, doing his part to make the world beautiful. You might even hear my neighbors weed whacking. They're doing that too right now. So I'm all mic'd up today, ready to roll. But I gotta get these dahlias in the ground. I don't know if I'm gonna be sheet mulching because my cardboard situation is a little on the low side. So we'll have to look and see. I actually buy some yard debris bags just in case, but I don't really have the mulch right now to go on top of them. I mean, I might be able to pull a couple bags out, but it won't be the pine nuggets that I usually like. It'll be the pine mulch. Don't really care for the pine mulch in my as a top coating because it breaks down so quick, and everything likes to grow in that. My plants do, and so does every kind of weed. So I have signed up for chip drop, but I don't know when or if they're coming. I've signed up once before and I waited a couple weeks, but nothing happened. So we're gonna give it another try again. But we'll see. Either that or it's going to be another trip to Lowe's. Anyway, so let me show you where I'm thinking about putting my dahlias. So I have a lot of prime real estate right in here that I'm thinking will be perfect for dahlias. My husband already has to cut around this thing here. So I thought, why not try to kind of encapsulate that and bring that inward and be less for cutting around and more room for beautiful things. We love that, don't we? Beautiful things. So my thinking is encapsulating some of this area in here and using it, because you can see it's really nice and sunny, and because it's in my backyard, I believe it's going to be a great spot to put some dahlias. It'll be somewhat protected. I'll probably just leave them in the ground all year. The only situation I have is going to be this big loquat, but I can keep it pruned back some, right? Yeah. So let's go ahead and get to work doing that. my gosh. This might be more than one day's worth of work. Right now, I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna get a drink, and then I'm gonna think hard on this. Holy smokes. All right, so I guess as of right now, dahlias like Florida. I also propagated a hibiscus because I was worried some of them might not come back over here, and sure enough, one didn't come back, so I got to plant that one. And then I'm zone pushing, which I got it like half off from Proven Winners, a lilac over here. But I'm probably going to put that in a pot because it's got to be cold. Have enough chill hours. But who knows, I might put a pot over here. So I know if you've been following my channel, I started back in November because October, November, those are the times of the year where you can start planting again in Florida. But my days are getting numbered here. It's probably close to 80 today. I am hot. I am sweaty. You know, when them biting flies come out, you know it's getting close to summer. So, you know, I am a teacher and I'm off during the summer months. And so I'd like to say I'm going to go gardening, but a lot of things go dormant here and not the best time of year to be planting. So for all you northerners that are watching me and have been enjoying my channel all through the winter months, my winter is coming where I can't do as much. I can still do some things like mulching and pruning. Roses can always do with a good pruning. But a lot of the planting is my window is closing. So I gotta get most of my stuff that are in pots in the ground. And this is a perfect time for me to do it because I'm off this week. So let me get my drink of water and then we'll see what I'm up for. All right, I am back and I mixed up some soil. And I'm just gonna say, if you are interested in knowing what types of dahlias that I got, you can look back on my previous videos because I go through all their specs on those videos. But today it's all about planting. So let's get to work. All right, my friends, here are all the dahlias. Want some over here, and then there's more over there. The proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the stack of pots I did. It was a lot of work. All right, y'all. It is getting overcast and kind of dark, so we're going to call a wrap on this one. So until the next one, thank you for joining me along on this adventure, and I hope you're able to make something beautiful in your world today. And bye, y'all.